What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. I am unraveling my twists, trying to do something different with my hair. So I decided, let me record me unraveling my twists for you guys if y'all want to see how it looks when I take them all down before doing a different style. I am going to show you guys. So I just wanted to come and show you guys what my hair looks like when I unravel the 47 twists. I had these twists in for 2 weeks. The last few days of wearing them, I pulled them back. So if you're wondering why my hair looked kind of stretched, that's why, because I had them pulled back and I did some type of folding thing. Yeah. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you didn't see how I did these twists. Check out that video. You'll see all the products that I used and you'll see how I twisted my hair in detail. So go ahead and check out that video, but this is what it looks like when I unravel it. It is full. It is gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.